ragazzi, stay back, muito dia por pano conosco e Drive MLB The Show. Onko nos bugando um ego ele? Crescida. It's hockey. Banglets. Par de course.
All right, ready to go here, and here is Jurickson Profar. And that misses.
Voila.
And away we go this afternoon. 101 on the gun, swing and a miss. Right there for a strike. 1-2. Swing and a miss, and he chases that one in the dirt. Up with it, fires to first. Got him. One away on the strikeout.
Well, maybe approaching this at bat with a bit too much determination. Sometimes you just got to let the game come to you.
And first offering is fouled off. Simmons flying after this one. That skips over the fence, so it's an automatic double. Here's the center fielder, Ceddanne Rafaela. That one in triple digits. Albies leads off second with one gone in the inning. Handles, throws to first, and there's two away.
Just not a good pitch to swing at. One reason he's an everyday player is he usually lays off of that junk.
Here's Matt Olson down. And a foul ball. In the air to left down the line. Simmons, long run, couldn't get to it before it dropped foul. 2 outs and one in scoring position. Foul ball, it stays nothing in 2.
Então atiro.
Ball comes home and he's dead at the plate. And that will end the inning. We go to the bottom of the first. And the batter now, Ted Simmons. That one fouled off. Sale ready. On the ground to third. And that chance handled. Gets it to first. And a quick out, number 1.
Good fade and sinking action of that changeup. Got that hitter to roll over.
And there's a rocket into the outfield. Now he'll turn for second. The throw in. And he starts his afternoon off right with a double.
Wastes no time there. First pitch fastball in a great spot to do some damage, and he squared it up nicely.
Hit in the air, center field. Rafaela under it. He's there. He's got it. Runner tags at second. Throw cut off to third. And he gets to third safely. Moving up on the fly out. And there are 2 gone. And now the catcher comes up to him. Cal Raleigh delivers a pitch in for a strike at 95. Swing and a miss. Chased it out of the zone.
He finds himself in a tough situation early. Just got to try to simple.
That's strike 3 and the third. And welcome back to the ballpark. And now the right fielder, Ronald Acuna Jr. First pitch misses.
So, Boog, here's an interesting fact about Acuna. He has the most home runs at Truist Park. He passed Freddie Freeman for the top spot in 2023, and I think he might hold that record for a while.
And it falls. And a good start to the inning.
Hey, whatever works, right? Doesn't have to be impressive. Kind of your classic jam shot blooper right there. Hit a good pitch on the inside. Gotten to hit it off the handle, but he still muscled it out there. You just have to tip your cap on the ball.
Acuna aboard here at first with nobody out. Beltran hauls it in for the out, and there's one down. And now it's switch hitting third baseman Chipper Jones. Swing and a miss. That one at 101. Pearson, a 6'6" righty. He features a four-seam fastball, a slider, a curve, a changeup, and he works in a sinker. Swing and a miss. That one at 99. And the count 1-2. Triple digits on that last pitch. Now here's Xander Bogaerts now. Swing and a miss. And it's 0-1.
0-1.
And a strike right through there. That one at triple digits. Two gone, but the go-ahead run is at first. Here at the top of the second. In the dirt, blocked. Here's a swing and a drive left field, and he knew it. Xander Bogaerts hits one out. It's 2-0.
Looks like this guy was looking out over the plate, but he was ready to turn on the inside fastball. So direct to the pitch. Absolutely blasted out of this ballpark.
Base is empty with 2 away. And the batter now, Sean Murphy. And ball one. Foul ball there. Swing and a miss. And it's 1-2.
1 ball, 2 strikes.
And there's a ball.
Caught a break right there. Pretty good pitch on the outside corner.
Still 2-2 after the foul ball.
I wouldn't throw him another breaking ball. Try to go again with the fastball, slightly elevated. He just is having a hard time catching up.
On the ground, right side, and foul ball. Keeps the at-bat going with a foul ball. Simmons. He's got it, and that is that. Bottom half of inning number 2, and Kyle Schwarber will come up. First pitch just misses.
Well, after scoring runs, this is where you're looking for that shutdown inning. Get that hot team back in there to swing the bats.
Next offering upstairs.
Bang. 0 carriera, 5.
And that's downstairs and outside. Ground ball to the right side. Fires over to first. Leadoff man retired here in the second. Chipper Jones digs in now. Inside. And that's ball one. Fastball is outside. And that one fouled off. One out, base is empty. And the slider just misses.
Nasty backdoor slider. There's really nothing you can do with that if you swing at it. So that's a good take by him. I think he's okay with that outcome. It wasn't an intentional walk, but he wasn't exactly trying to attack the zone either.
Fought off foul. Swing and a miss. He was late.
0-2.
Swings through it, and that's a strikeout. Now it's the shortstop. Swing and a miss at a slider.
Boog, the runner at first needs to be careful right here. He's dealing with a pickoff artist on the mound.
There's a strike. Jones off of first with 2 away. Good eye in that spot.
Really good take, especially with 2 strikes.
Good eye to buy.
And a swing and a miss. That K is his 3rd of the game.
Tira se uccidemo l'Engstro.
And we're back. Profar climbs in on that left side. Pearson back to work.
Profar.
Carew throws to first in time. Leadoff hitter gone in the 3rd.
Albies.
And here comes Ozzy Albies to the dish.
Open
Swing and a high
double.
fly ball, well
Non
struck.
fuori sul caso, secondo Diego.
That one is back. You can kiss it goodbye. And they boost their lead. It's 3-0.
Boog, I wasn't sure he hit that one as hard as he needed to get it out of here, but it had just enough behind it for the homer. What an attempt at the wall, though. He really gave a terrific effort to try and bring that one back.
Rafaela now at the plate as he swings through strike 1.
Well, he looks fresh out there. Just needs to get a little more confidence and remember how good he's been in the past.
That's too low. And that's ball 1.
Part of the order coming through now, and with 1 home run already in this inning, they're definitely looking to do some more damage.
2 down, bases empty. Matt Olson up to the plate. Berkman makes the grab, and that is that. As we go to the last of the 3rd. And now Rod Carew. Inside corner, and that's called a strike. Very few in question that Carew was one of the top hitters of the 1970s. That misses, and the count is 1-1.
The stats Carew put up from 1972 to 78 were just amazing. It was the prime of his career, won 6 batting titles over the course of 7 years.
Next offering is in for a strike.
And many pitchers would say Carew had no weakness as a hitter. There wasn't any kind of pitch that he couldn't handle.
And base hit. So a runner aboard to start the inning.
Couldn't have timed it up any better than that. Good pitch, slider down and away, just stayed down and threw it nicely. It's such an easy pitch to pull off of because you're probably thinking fastball down the middle initially.
And
that's in the dirt.
Well, with the amount of pitches that can end up in the dirt, a good secondary lead. Doesn't have to get away from the catcher, but if you're anticipating based off the trajectory, get yourself into scoring position.
Carew gets his lead at first with nobody out. And it remains 2-2. Ground ball could be 2. Over to Albies. On to first, double play. And here's the first baseman, Gil Hodges. Pop foul out of play off to the right. Two outs. Way high.
Pare malu.
1-1.
In curva.
That's off the mark. 2-1.
Looks like he's being a little cautious with him in this at bat after doubling the first time up. Doesn't want to make another mistake.
Line drive, base hit. Next to hit, Carlos Beltran. Swing and a pop-up. Foul out of play off to the right side. That'll find the stands. And that misses. 1-1.
1-1.
A little out front there as he swings through it.
Clearly sitting on a fastball right there. It just ended up out in front of the slider. Hey.
And he got him. Strike 3, and that'll retire the side. And welcome back to the ballpark. And now here is Ronald Acuna Jr. And a swing and a miss.
Well, here's a player who hits the ball a mile when he connects. In fact, Acuna is the first player in the StatCast era to hit 10 straight home runs, all traveling more than 420 feet. He's not exactly just clearing the fences out there.
Austin Riley at the plate. 0 for 1 with a fly out to center. That's outside, and it's 1-0.
You know, this group of hitters showing great discipline at the plate, and patience definitely seems to be the name of their game in this one. It's not just the 3 runs they've already scored. On top of that, they forced this starter to throw the pitches that he wanted to at this point of the game.
And they almost caught him, but he's back in time. Down the third baseman, Chipper Jones. He's 0 for 1. And that is out of play. That one pushed foul out of play off to the left.
Stacca per il tribuno. Play with me.
To Carew at second for 1. To Hodges in time. That's an inning. Bottom 4. Here's the catcher, Cal Raleigh. That's out to center field.
Facilombo, baila, Rocky.
But it's the center fielder who gets there. 1 away. Kyle Schwarber comes up to hit here. Grounded out his first time up. Sliced hard, but foul down the left side. Swing and a miss. And it's 0-2.
That pitch started in and ended up on the outside edge. Just changing planes and very difficult, especially for a left-handed hitter to track.
Isso sei, vamos ver. Parei mal. Regalo.
A gigantic blast. It's 3-1.
But gets pitch recognition early. He saw exactly where that was going to be. The challenge, not get over anxious and come out of your swing. He stayed on it and got
regalo, ripeti.
2 outs, nobody on. Digging in is the switch inning outfielder, Lance Burfield.
And the first pitch fastball is in for a strike.
Hit in the air out to center field. Rafaela on the move. Hauls it in to end the inning. All set for the start of the inning. Here's the shortstop at the plate, Xander Bogaerts. He swings and fouls one off. Bogaerts, just 21 years old, and he was born in Aruba. Broken back ground ball to second. The throw to first. Bogaerts retired.
Good arm side run to that same side hitter right there. Very difficult to put that ball in the air or get through it. Just bores in on the hands.
Murphy, the batter now, as he swings and misses for strike 1. There's the swing and a miss.
He's been going after these guys consistently, and as a result, he's been able to keep his pitch count low. Throwing the ball very well right now.
Just missed. Swing and a miss, and he's down on strikes. So he picks up his 6th strikeout of the ball game. Foul ball. Profar gets a piece there. Jones brings it in for the 3rd out. And we're back, and the batter will be the shortstop, number 2. Up and in, ball 1.
Well, these guys just lacking discipline at the plate in this ball game. Chasing pitches has been a big part of the story. We've seen it quite a bit today. It's been tough for them to make contact at times, and it just doesn't look like they're seeing it very well as a group. And on the mound, you know, confidence has to be pretty high with all of the swings and misses. He's had them eaten out of the palm of his hand pretty much all game.
Swing and a high fly ball right field. Rafaela has a beat on it and puts the squeeze on that one. And there's one down. And now Rod Carew, 1 for 1 with a single so far. Swing and a miss. Looked off balance that time.
It's 0-1.
Late on that fastball.
Threw that fastball right by him,
0-2.
slightly elevated. That's a
Too
confidence
much.
boost for this guy out there on the mound. See if he continues to climb the ladder.
Profar makes a nice running catch. So the lineup flips over. Ted Simmons now at the plate. Ground ball up the middle. That's a base hit. Joey gets on base and keeps it going.
Well, clearly he was ready to hit right there. Once you get the ball by the pitcher, there's a lot of base hits up the middle, even on ground balls. So a nice job to use that big hole and get himself a hit.
The 0-1. Got the bat going too soon. It's strike 2.
No balls, 2 strikes.
And a swing and a miss.
On sale.
And welcome back to the ballpark. Top
Wow,
6.
this is so
Ozzie
much.
Albies up to the plate. Yeah, that's fouled off. Kicks and deals. That one misses.
1-1.
And it's 1-1.
Y
And
está
it's fouled
tipo.
away. Cut on and miss. Struck him out. And he's up to 7 strikeouts. And now the center fielder, Cedar Rafaela. First offering, and it just misses.
He's controlling things out there on the mound, not messing around at all. He's been in attack mode since the very start.
One down, base is empty. Lined, and that's a base
Patrick
hit.
aqui assim.
Anytime you rip a line drive the other way, you feel really good about what you did at the plate. You trusted your hands, you let the ball travel, and you took the barrel straight to it. That's great work right there. And now they've got some speed on first, so we'll see if they try to get...
Runner on the go. That
Team
one
Fred,
ripped
no.
for foul. Rafaela stands at first with 1 out. Runner goes again.
Vai.
That one ripped. That's back
Chora,
there.
mano, bicho tá.
You can kiss it
You can
goodbye.
kiss it goodbye.
A 2-run shot, and they add a pair. It's 5-1.
Rikiti. Apa bulo po? Parang nangyayari ko ng gusto. Lost connection. Okay, pegas na aqui. I see. Con toda movida, lamentablemente, contrincante ha deciso di abbandonare Alberto. Maar kom ons Utrecht bent. Quem pode ter lá em Nova?
Hello, baseball fans, and welcome. The show brings you Diamond Dynasty Baseball. Just about set to go. And on the hill in this one, Tarek Skubal.
Anytime you have 5 pitches to work with on the mound, that repertoire can be a real weapon in terms of keeping hitters off balance, man. It's one of those things that I'm going to be looking for in this one. Does he have a feel for all of those pitches, or is he just able to get 1 or 2 over in the strike zone where he wants? Now, it's tough to do to be able to command all those pitches, but if he can, he is going to be very tough for the opponent today.
Now the left fielder, Jurickson Profar. Swings and blasts one deep to left center. Crow Armstrong running hard to get it. Drops into the glove. And there's one away. Here is Ozzie Albies up to hit. Delivers a pitch in for a strike at 95.
Albies is playing on the road, so you know that means he's been FaceTiming with his pet fish. This guy owns a few home aquariums, and it's no secret he likes talking to his fish when he's away. In fact, Albies had cameras installed so he can check on the fish anytime he wants.
And Acuna able to make the grab. Here's the center fielder, Ceddanne Rafaela, and he's currently the team leader in batting average, Chris. Swing and a miss. That's strike 1.
0-1.
Up the middle. On the run, throw to first. Got him. Nice play. Now, Pete Crow Armstrong. Swing and a miss at 100 miles an hour. On the ground, right side. Olsen handles the chance. Tosses to the pitcher covering the bag. 1 up, 1 down. This is Willie Castro. Swings through that one for strike 1.
Man, he really sells the changeup with that arm action.
The shortstop takes the ball. Missed with a changeup. 2-1.
If you're going to miss, you want to miss outside the zone. When you miss inside the zone, it's trouble.
Hit hard, base hit. So they get a man aboard with a 1-out single.
Everything came together for him. I could watch base hits like that one all day long, and so could every hitting coach in the league. Just a nice line drive into center field.
Ronald Acuna Jr., the next to hit, takes ball 1. And that one is lifted in the air. Rafaela under it. 2 down. Kyle Schwarber comes up to hit here. And that is cut on and missed. Strike 1.
0-1's the count.
Castro, the runner at first with 2 gone. That clips the corner.
Cold night tonight, Boog, and that's a pretty firm fastball right there. I tell you what, memories of getting jammed, they are creeping into my mind right now.
And now the count is even.
Good slider down and in can be so hard to get on plane with. You're better off taking that pitch.
Swing. Back here at Coors Field. And the batter now, Matt Olson. Skubal back to work. That one not close. And that is ball 1. And that skips into there.
2-0 count, great hitter at the dish. If you're going to miss, you've got to miss outside the zone. You miss inside the strike zone, you'll be asking the umpire for a new baseball.
Clips the corner. And now 3 balls and a strike. Fastball for a strike.
Looks like he's just sizing him up there. Really good pitch to hit, but he took it all the way. Sometimes guys just want to set their timing later on in the game. That may be a pitch that he turns on.
Castro sends it to first. 1 up, 1 down. Here's Xander Bogaerts.
This kid is so special.
He's a shortstop by trade and big time power. Cut on and lifted in the air. Acuna on the run. And there's 2 down. 2 outs, base is empty. Here's Austin Riley. Swing and a miss. Nice changeup.
Fell off to a great start. He's really cruising out there on the mound. He's got a chance to get through these first 2 innings with under 20 pitches. That could set him up to go deep into this game.
Swing and a miss, and Skubal gets it. Back here in Denver, and here's the catcher, Adley Rutschman.
All right, Boog. So I was scrolling through social media the other day, and a video of Adley popped up. It was a clip of him playing college football for Oregon State. How athletic is this guy? He tackled Stanford great Christian McCaffrey. Seriously, what can't Rutschman do on the field? Now, no waiting around right there. He was ready to swing it on the first pitch. Pretty good fastball location. Down and in on the corner, but that was just a nice job to handle it and hit it hard. Very tough spot to get the barrel to most of the time, though.
This one high in the air to left center. Profar snags it on the run.
That's just a really nice catch on the run right there. He saved extra bases for sure. If the pitcher's his friend, he'll give him a second to catch his breath before he's ready to deal the next pitch.
Anthony Santander now in the box, comes up empty with a swing there. Breaking ball misses down and away. Swings through that one for strike two.
Clearly he was sitting on a fastball right there and just ended up out in front of the slider. Hey, you can't fault him for his commitment.
Chipper Jones stands in with two away as he takes a ball. That one's spoiled, and the count now 2-1.
Well, you put good velocity in the head of the hitter. He's got to get it ready early and then change.
Now this is blasted. Way back there. On its way. Gone. And they grab the lead. It's 2-0. So 2 down. Now here is Tim Raines. And that's in there at the knees. Yeah, big swing and a miss.
More and more guys are looking to slug regardless of the count. In this situation, we'll keep a close eye on his approach.
Good eye right there.
1 ball, 2 strikes.
2 out, space is empty. Right side, hard hit. Over to first. And that is that. Top half of the third inning. Here's the third baseman, Chipper Jones. And there's a foul ball. Swing and a high fly ball out towards right field. Under it is Acuna to make the grab. And here is Ronald Acuna Jr. 0-1.
Good late sink on that fastball. Out of the hand looks so good, and then by the time it gets in the hitting zone, hard to get the barrel to it.
Close one, doesn't get the call. And now it's even 1-1. One down, base is empty. Swing and a ball lifted in the air. And it's just foul. Got him swinging for the strikeout. The high heat, too much on that one. Up the middle. Throws to first in time. And that is the inning. Set for the bottom of the third. And now the center fielder, Pete Crow Armstrong. Clobber to right field. Way back. Gone. And they add to the lead. It's 3-0. Stepping in is the switch hitting shortstop, Willie Castro. First pitch doesn't find the zone.
Always exciting to see a leadoff home run in an inning. Kind of gets the offense fired up, and you start to expect a big inning.
To the right side. On to first. One gone, bottom of the third inning. Here's Ronald Acuna Jr. at the plate. Warning track. And you can touch them all, baseball man. It's their second home run of the inning, and they add to their lead. It's 4-0. Schwarber swings through that one as he comes to the plate for the second time today. And it's through for a hit. So a man aboard now with one away. Here's Adley Rutschman. Down and away for ball one.
With how good these offenses are, there's a lot of ball game left.
Got it started a little too early. Strike one.
I got 1 ball, 1 strike.
Edge of the zone for a strike. And the count 1-2. Schwarber at first, one gone. That one in the dirt. And the count's even at 2. Swing and a high fly ball left field. Profar settles under it. Makes the grab. That's out number 2. Chase Utley, the next to hit. Fly to left his first time. That one missed. Way inside.
That's ball 3.
2 runs across in the inning here in the last half of the third. Hot shot to first base, and he snags it in. And we're back. Start of the fourth. Now batting Jurickson Profar. Swing, and he breaks his bat. Utley makes the catch. And a quick out number 1. Ozzie Albies up to the plate. Flied to right his first time. Pitch is in the dirt. 1-0. 1 out, bases empty. On the ground to short. Castro sends it to first. 2 up, 2 down. So up next, Ceddanne Rafaela.
Well, he's doing a nice job of keeping the ball out of the air. Lets the defense work behind him with another ground ball. Good execution.
That's hard hit on the line. Makes the grab, and that's the inning. Ready to go for the last half of the inning. Anthony Santander at the plate. And first offering is fouled off.
Well, he hasn't quite settled in out there. 4 runs in 3 innings. He's going to have some quick 1, 2, 3 innings to pitch deep into this ball game.
That's back there. Adios, pelota. That'll fire up the dugout. It's 5-zip. So digging in, Chipper Jones. A bit behind with that swing. It's strike 1.
Well, these players doing a great job, Boog, of just waiting for the right pitch to come their way. And I'm seeing very patient at-bats out of them. Not only have they already put up a bunch of runs on the board, but they've also made the starter work really hard out there.
Towards first, and they get the out on Jones. Here's the left fielder, Tim Raines.
It's a good recovery, though, after giving up the home run. Not allowing it to stay in the head, but going to work at the next hitter, and a tough one at that.
Tosses across to first, 2 out. Pete Crow Armstrong getting ready to hit. He's already homered in this game. And there's a strike.
Bringing the cheese on that one.
0-1's the count.
And that's outside. 2 down, bases empty, but 1 run across. We're here in the bottom of the 4th. And misses inside. 2-1 pitch is in there, and the count is even.
2 balls, 2 strikes.
Just misses with that one.
I don't know how you take that one after the called strike on the corner, just a little bit off the edge.
Finds its way through, base hit. And that keeps the inning alive.
All over that one right there. Smash that one through the infield for the knock. When it's hit that hard, it makes it very tough on the infielders to make any sort of play.
Tanto un cambio mi pitcher un pan.
The kick and the pitch. Runner goes. There's a ball. He's safe at second, and that was not close. That one pushed to the left and foul.
I wouldn't throw him another breaking ball. Try to go again with the fastball, slightly elevated. He just is having a hard time catching up.
Ground ball right side. Albies over to first in time. And that'll keep more runs. And welcome back to the ballpark. Here is Matt Olson.
No,
Acuna has it sized up. Hauls it in for the out. And there's one down. It's Xander Bogaerts. Now. Liner to second and picked on the hop. Throw to first and very nicely done for the out. 2 down, bases empty. Here's Austin Riley. Riley, 27 years old. He's usually a third baseman, but today he's the designated hitter. And takes low for ball 1.
A little bit of a day off for him. Instead of being at the hot corner, he can just kind of put the batting gloves on, hold the bat as he sits.
Oh, this one high and deep. Way back there. Pulls it into the warning track. Back here at Coors Field. And now it's Ronald Acuna Jr. Right, back to work. Across the letters at 99. In the air to left center. Profar has a beat on it. 1 away. Here comes Schwartz to the plate. 1 for 2. Smoke to right center, and this one's gonna go out of here. And they tack one on the board. It's 6-0. Base is empty, 1 away. Adley Rutschman will hit next. So Josh Hader gets the call to the mound.
And we all know about his slider. It's just filthy, man. And one of the better ones in the game, I'd say. Spin rate's very high, and it just breaks a ton.
Sends it to first. Rutschman retired. 2 outs, base is empty. Here's the second baseman, Chase Utley. Swing and a ball lifted left field. Profar settles under it. Makes the and now it's switching to third baseman Chipper Jones. And first offering is fouled off.
Well, every pitcher wants a run support, and having a lead is nice, but it can be challenging for some pitchers. I think keeping the mindset to attack.
In the air, center field. Carl Armstrong should have it. And makes the grab. 1 down. Here's Acuna now. Struck out swinging his first time. Tap back to the mound. To first, they get the out on Acuna.
Good slider inside right there. Batter fighting to get there, just rolled over it, got the ground ball.
Bouncing Murphy.
Ripped to short. Zips it across. Third out, and that ends the frame. Back here in Denver, and now the first baseman, Anthony Santander. Part of what makes Hader's fastball so unique is that he gets carry on the fastball up in the zone, and yet he grips it like a sinker. Next pitch is outside. And Hader's been one of the best strikeout pitchers in all of baseball. Swing and a chopper out to short. Sends it across to first. Leadoff man retired in the 6th. So up next, Chipper Jones. He's already homered here in this one. That's ripped. Base hit. So they get a man aboard with a 1-out single.
I'm sure he feels really good about that one. Just a solid swing right there. Caught it out front and ripped it into the outfield for the.
He's got it, and there's 2 away.
It's never fun going back to the dugout after hitting a line drive that finds a glove, but you will get some high fives. You know, when you make great contact, you feel like you've done everything right. But in this game of baseball, not everything is in your control.
Swing and a miss. He was late. Strike two.
No balls, 2 strikes.
Swing and a high fly ball out there towards left field. Profar settles under it and makes. This game's a bit of a blowout, Singy. Let's talk about something random.
Let's do it.
Singy, you grew up in the Bay Area. Did you have a favorite player as a short hop liner? Handled it short. The throw, it's there, and that's a great play. Now it's the second baseman, Ozzie Albies. Right side. Acuna there. Out number 2. 2 down, bases empty. Here's the center fielder, Ceddanne Rafaela. Swing and a miss. It's 0-1.
When a guy's throwing a lot of first pitch strikes as a hitter, you got to be ready to hit. Now, that's not going to help you get deep into his pitch count and into the bullpen, but you got to take what he's offering that day.
And a swing and a miss.
It really looks like these guys have been in between with their timing today. Good fastball, excellent
swing. And we're back. Bottom of the 7th. Leading off, Willie Castro. So they turn to their closer, Kenley Jansen.
I think it's got to be a little tough coming in out of the pen when your guys are trailing so big on the scoreboard. Just doesn't have the same intensity to it, but he's got to find a way because these batters count the same for his stats, obviously, regardless of the score.
That's off the mark, and now 3-0. That one misses, so a leadoff walk. And here is Ronald Acuna Jr.
Pretty easy walk right there. Last pitch wasn't even much to think about.
And ball 1. And a foul ball. Castro gets his lead at first. Nobody out. Next offering is fouled back. And that misses off the outside edge.
Well, he's not afraid to fall into a 2-strike count. Knows the strike zone very well. So much so that I think umpires will look at him and determine whether it's a ball or strike, if he swings or not.
Swings through that one. It's a strikeout. Now it's the DH, Kyle Schwarber. And the first pitch misses for ball 1. Swing and a foul straight back. Just missed. Swing and a miss. Man at first, one away. Strike 3, and that's 2 in a row. And now the catcher comes up to hit. Adley Rutschman, 1 for 3. Check swing. Did he go? Yes, he did.
0-1's the count.
There's a swing and a drive. And it's a one-hopper off the wall. Should be extra bases. Throw home. He beats it. It's 7-0.
Well done. Drives in the run. That pretty much split the zone down the middle, and those are the ones where you got to make them pay.
And a foul ball. Runner at second. 2 down. Swings through the fastball up in the zone.
It might be time to choke up a little bit. Get that front foot down early. Maybe even just spread out. He's really late right now.
Man at second. A little bit low.
That's where you want it. It's a good miss.
That's foul off to the right side. Keeps the AB going. Ouch. He had 2 strikes on him, and he hit him. So first and second with 2 outs.
Kali.
And here's the first baseman, Anthony Santander. Ripped, but it curls foul. First and second, 2 down. Here at the bottom of the 7th.
One and one.
In the dirt. Two on, 2 outs. And there's the ball.
Could be some action here on this next pitch. Couple runners on. Probably a challenge pitch coming.
Left field. Profar sizes this one up. And that is that.
Not again.
We're at the top of the 8th. And now it's Matt Olson's turn to hit. Skubal back to work. First pitch swinging.
Tonight his slider has been really impressive. I mean, tight spin. Seems like the hitters aren't picking it up out of the hand.
1-0-1 on the gun. Swing and a miss. That one hammered center field.
Aquí chilean se cansaban un tiki, pero
Makes the
nada me
catch.
Still rolling to start the 8th. Just 5 more outs to get.
And here comes Sander Bogarts. And that one hammered.
Good.
Reigns makes the play. 2 down. So just 4 more outs to get through. And the tension is building in the ballpark right now.
Yeah, and we can feel it in the booth. He's got these hitters locked up.
And he went around. That's ruled to swing. 2 down, nobody on. And we're in the top of the 8th. And he swings and lifts one to deep center field. Crow Armstrong makes the grab. And that is that. And welcome back to the ballpark. And now it's going to be Chipper Jones. On the ground, right side. He steps on the bag. And that's one away as the leadoff man is out in the 8th. Tim Raines now at the plate. 0 for 3 in this one. A new arm into the game, the righty, Craig Kimbrell. He's into the game with the bases empty. And first offering is fouled off. And a swing and a miss there.
Just a bit late on that 0-1 breaking ball. 0-2 hole now. He's going to have to shorten up, tighten things up if he's going to have a good at bat.
2 outs, base is empty. And now the center fielder, Pete Crow Armstrong. That's in there. Strike 1. Just missed.
Just missed with that backdoor breaking ball. If he gets a swing and miss or called strike, 0-2 count. Instead, it's 1-1. Look for him to go back to that pitch later in this at bat.
Swing and a miss. Tosses to first. And it's a 1-2-3. We go to the 9th. Now the third baseman, Chipper Jones. Swing and a ground ball up the middle. Oh, look at the stop. On the money. Nice play. So digging in, Ronald Acuna Jr. And now 2 outs away from history.
Well, I hope he gets
on the ground to third. Fires across the diamond. And Acuna retired. So they're down to their final out. Here's the catcher, Sean Murphy. Swing and a miss, and 102 on the radar gun. Into center. In there, base hit. And the bid for history is gone.
Well, there goes the chance for a perfect game. Just a simple soft liner into center field for the knock right there. Maybe a little bit fooled by the pitch, but he did a good job of staying through it, and that allowed him to fight it off and just get enough behind it.
Out to short. To first, and he beats it. Everyone's safe. First and second, 2 down. And now it's the switch hitting second baseman, Ozzie Albies. Foul ball there. First and second, 2 down. Here at the top of the 9th. Squirts away a little bit. Nothing happening as the count evens at 1. Scooble is just one strike away. Gets a piece there. We'll do it again. And a pitch. Hit to right, and that should do it. And that is the ball game.
Los hits son guardi un po' malo.